Hey guys, it's Boss McManus here. Today I just wanted to show you guys a quick little video game gameplay. I just wanted to show you guys what the laptop looks like when you're playing it sitting on a desk, so you can hear some of the sounds, listen to the speakers, and see if you can hear the fans over the noise of the speakers. Uh, I will also turn the volume all the way down while I'm game playing to show how loud the fans do get during a game. But first we're going to go ahead and open real temp. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but my temperatures right now are 51, 52, 53, and 51. And they're jumping around they're in the low 50s for all four cores. So we are going to go ahead and open up Call of Duty Ghosts, and I'm going to play multiplayer, so don't make fun of me for how much I might suck in this game. Alright guys, so here we are in the game. I just got into a game right now. It is already a little bit almost halfway through. So let's just go see what's going on. I am running fraps right now as well. I am getting 91 frames per second. Now I'm getting about 70 to 80. It does vary what kind of frames per second you do get depending on what you're doing, what's going on. Oh my god, and I just died. So, as you can see, the game runs very smooth, very well. The settings are pretty damn high. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick without getting killed. So, 1920 by 1080 full screen. It's on image quality is normal, depth of field yes, terrain detail normal, anisotropic filtering normal, motion blur yes, distortion no, anti-aliasing 2x MSAA, and shadows yes. Everything else is on high. Text resolution, normal map resolution, specular map resolution, water map resolution, dynamic fur. Everything else is on high. Some of the settings I'd like to keep a tiny bit lower just in case I do get a spike in frame rate. I do like to keep it above 30, so if I do get a spike that drops the frame rate, I will not drop below 30. And I knifed that guy. So it does run very well right now, getting 91 FPS again. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking now for a few minutes just so you guys can hear the noise of the fans. So here you go.
Friendly SATCOM active. SATCOM ready. Enemy SATCOM spotted. Camera crew ready. SATCOM uplink enabled. We're winning this fight! expired.
Alright guys, so now that the game has been playing for a while, the game just ended, let's go ahead and look at the temperatures. So right there, just in case y'all don't believe me, it is still in the game, it is still playing, so I'm getting in the high 70s. So, like I told you all, this laptop does not get very hot from my readings. I know it does vary between people. I've heard of people even getting 98 degrees Celsius, which I think is absolutely crazy. I've never had my laptop get anywhere in the 90s at all, even when I ran Prime 95, you know, FurMark, everything like that, all the benchmarks, 3D Mark Vantage, everything like that. It never got in the 90s ever. I got in the high 80s when I was absolutely pushing the processor to the limit, yes, but it did not get very hot. This laptop does have the Core i7 in it now. I will show you guys here. As you can tell, it's 4 cores. It's no longer just 2 cores like I used to have. So here under Specky, it is reading it. It is the Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 GT750Ms, 2 gigs of RAM each, a 360 gigs Corsair SSD. So let me open up CPU-Z, and I will show you guys in CPU-Z the processor. It is the same processor that comes with the Core i7 version. I bought it online. So you can see there, right here, it is a Core i7 4700MQ. I'm sorry if you guys can't really see it. I know there's some glare from the TV and everything, or from the windows outside. But yeah, that's my quick video, just to show you guys how long the or how loud the fans get. Let me do one quick little breakdown to show you guys how loud they are with no sound, because I forgot to do that for y'all. So let me turn the sound all the way down, and we will get into the game here in just a minute, and you guys will be able to see the temps and the gameplay. Alright, so here we are in the game. The game is about to begin in 10 seconds. Temperatures with the graphics fully loaded, everything like that, are in the mid to low 70s. So, the match begins in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'll stay quiet for a minute so y'all can hear the fans. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the temperatures of the fans, or the, I'm sorry, not temperatures, that is the noise of the fans while the speakers are off. So, hopefully you guys got a good idea of how the fans sound, you know, what gameplay looks like on this thing from a third person point of view. Just a refresher, I am getting high 80 FPS right now. I am playing Call of Duty Ghosts with all settings pretty much maxed out. I have some settings set a little bit lower just in case I do get a FPS spike. It won't go below 30. Got him. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of an idea as to how the laptop performs. I am in the middle of a game right now. Temperatures are in the high 70s, low 80s. So for all of you out there with temperature issues, I don't know what's going on. Try reapplying thermal paste, try reinstalling the operating system, and try checking Task Manager to see what type of processes are running in the background, because you may be getting some background processes that are making your games choppy and that are eating a bunch of resources. So once again, I hope you guys liked this video, and please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.